Yeah, hello people. My name is Inka, and I'm here again to tell you about installing your new component on Sage X3. We've installed all the classic core components. We've installed the free component. Now we want to install the new component, which is the Syracuse. Now I need to tell you something here. For um, version 12, we need to install your Elastic Search first, then you install the Syracuse. It is at the point of installing your Syracuse, you tick a new installation for MongoDB. But for version 8, you have to install your MongoDB first, then install the Elasticsearch, then install your Syracuse. Then you also need a license for this. So since this is on version 8, so we are going to be doing that, which is start with your MongoDB. MongoDB. So click that, then OK, then next, next, next. Now it is very important for you to have your path like this. I'm editing this. It's very important for you to have your path like this. Syracuse, then slash MongoDB. Then click on next. Okay. Now next. Now for my MongoDB, I need these two things. Next. Then it installs. So waiting for it to install. Waiting for it to install. Okay. Think I've not shown my face today. Hi guys. Yeah, my name is Inka, a senior business software consultant with Active Services Limited. Active Services Limited is a business partner to Sage Pastel. So this is installed, then I click on OK or next rather. So let it write those scripts. So let's watch. So that is done. Then I click on next, then done. So then go to Elasticsearch, click on my Elasticsearch, then I double click this and OK, double click this, then I click next, click next. Now, so you need to edit this again. Edit this to Syracuse. Yeah. So you need to have a path like this. You're installing your Syracuse then. Okay. Then this. So this is going to use the Java. Okay. Next. Now, next, next. So wait for it. Now that's done. Click on next. That is right. Everything needed. Then next. Then next. So that is also done. Then now we need to install the Syracuse itself. Okay. Next. So let's wait for that. Next. Next. Now Syracuse. Next. Are you sure this? Just click on yes. Oh, okay. So let me put 4 here. Now, now you also need a license for this. So you need to specify the parts of the license. So we have a license here. So you need, oh, sorry, this shouldn't be it. That's for a different version. So let me get the one for this. Think it has expired. Yeah, but let me just use this. Okay. So, okay. Now this. Now Sage. Yeah, since it's that then. Make sure it is inside here. Sure it's inside here. Yeah. So I think so. Yeah. So it should be inside there. Now let's move on with our installation. So pick the part. So click the parts. That's a license or files. Then Sage dot services. Sage dot services. Then next. Name. Then next. Okay. Then next. Next. So you give so I'm using, this is just the password that you want the system to use. So I'm just using admin. Admin. I'll say next. Let me say ng. Okay. So let's use cost. Let me say active. And let's 1133 650. I say next. So you need to specify the runtime part. You need to specify the runtime part. Sage. So then say open. Then next. Um, and click on next. Next. So let's wait for it. So we have the process running at this point. We have the process running at this point. So let me show you. It's talking to you. Yeah. So my name is Ainolum Inka. So delivering to you is installation on SageX3, the Syracuse server. So that is done. So let me just click on next. So let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. So let's wait for it to stay installing. Yeah. So I have this error because it's telling me that what's it called? I have an incorrect license. Yeah, this license it's been a long time since 2016. So just trying to check if it's going to allow my installation, but at least it has identified that Sage ID not loaded, config missing, incorrect license. This is very straightforward. So let me click on yes. Okay, pretty fine. The only thing it's complained about is the license. If I had a genuine license, it's going to work fine for me. You understand? But because I don't have genuine license, that is why it is not working. But software has been installed and all services have been created. So then let me click on next and next and done. So um, I can then search. Let me try to search if my Syracuse will launch. I'm trying local host 8124. Does this look like what is going to launch? Don't know. Let me try normal local host. Local host 8080. Yes. Local host. Going. Okay. Local host 8124. Why is it? Could it be that? Well, that is just a pretty way to install your Sage X3 on the system. If to troubleshoot this, we can make a different video for this so that we don't start wasting our time. So let me try to see this why this is not launching. Syracuse. Just services. Okay. So the services that are available. Okay, I think it's good um we do this outside here. So I'll show you a video of how this was actually resolved so that you can also learn from that. So thank you very much again. I know Day online class, so I'll end my video here for today. Thank you.